16-5, Sandugo over Ateneo as Sue Roses takes a breather and is replaced here by Joy Benito. Jang Boli still going to the jump serve.
Wow! Wow! That's a bomb.
Tinignan mo na lang, sana out.
Oo.
Yung pag-defender ka na lang, pag nung nakita mo parating, say, sana out, sana out.
Okay, ilag.
Oo. Kaya nga umilag para sana out. Here we go again. Tinitignan na lang nila eh.
Sana ulit.
Hindi, ina naman eh. So, 18-5. Let's see if she can go 3 for 3. Adjusting defense. Ito na. Valdez is there. Tejada is there. And here we go. Point. Oh, Herbacio gets to it. Tan. Valdez. Oops. Back to your face again. And crawls over to Otaywan. And sabi ni Otaywan, you okay?
But some leading scorers here for Sandugo. It's Poli with Bautista with 9, Otaywan with 8. For Ateneo, Valdez with 13. Herbacio with 4.
And finally, the net stops Boli. So 19-6. Eliza Valdez, who has had her fair share of balls into her face today. Here is Bautista again.
No, but you know, that's the beauty of this Shakey's V-League. We know the player that Eliza Valdez is, but she really gets experience playing
definitely.
with other people like Taiwan, you know, kahit yung she gets a facial.
Actually, panuurin niya lang si Boli, ang dami na niyan makukuha eh.
Yeah.
I mean, these two ladies play very similar. Look at Boli take off again from the back line. But that one goes long. So again, Valdez does the same thing. She takes off from the back row, also attacks, and just by watching or experiencing Jang Boli helps a lot in the career nitong si Eliza Valdez as she moves forward. And Dana, she's only in her 2nd year.
That's right.
And 3-5 spy.
You okay?
Eh, gumapang si Eliza kanina para nahihilo pa. Ay, ni Taiwan, you okay? Dapat lower voice, you okay? Here is Ruby. Tan for Herbacio. And that finds the line. 21-8. Elise Nakachi now to score, or to serve rather. 21. Apat na lang abante, apat na lang papasok na yung Sandugo sa kanilang unang pagkapanalo dito sa ating semi-final round. It's a best-of-3 affair. Benting, Valdez too near the net, and Tan trying to play it off the carom, but it does not work. So 22-8. 3 points away.
I'm doubting that Lazaro can even play.
I don't know if she should really come back in this game.
Yeah, that's true.
Pero for the next game, that's the big question. Here's Tan for Marge. Marge scores. Again, that's a future, right there.
Exactly.
Again, pag pinag-usapan namin ni Mosi kapon, pagpunta silang restaurant, si Lianeta, etong si Tejada, at saka si Tajima, kailangan yung isang buong menu orderin na nila. Kailangan, oh wow, that's a left-right combination there from Zia Herbacio. It's a double touch though. Dahil yung mga ganun, Tajima, Tejada, and Lianeta go to Shakey's, they have to order like 1 party pizza each. Here is Ruby. Oh, Jang Boli with a layup.
Wow, good dive there by Nakachi.
I'm telling you, Nakachi had libero-like skills yesterday. And there it is again. But this time, Ella can't get to it. So 24-9. We got match point coming up now here for Sandugo if Angela Benting can get it off of her serve.
Good serve by Benting.
Ella, Giselle Tan, Herbacio. Quick set for Boli. It was not the perfect set, but Boli still gets it done. So game number 1 of the semifinals goes easily to Sandugo over Ateneo. 25-9 here in the 3rd set. Straight sets win by Sandugo against an Ateneo lineup that is still depleted. Shaky play right here.
That was Benting.
Oo, minsan lang mag-quick set dito para kay Boli.
Hook shot.
Natamaan naman niya.